What's going on, guys? Anel here with NKY Honeybees. Welcome back to the channel. Today is super exciting. We're gonna harvest some honey out of these two hives right here. I don't have my microphone, so I might hear some background noises. I forgot the mic at home, so I haven't been in these hives in about few weeks, probably 3 or 4 weeks, to be honest. I harvested honey out of here already, probably 60 pounds out of each hive, but I got these two top boxes to harvest. So let's get in here, see if this is actually done, and let's harvest some honey. Alright, so like I said, this is what you work for all year long, and this is the exciting part of beekeeping. I've got another box right here. I'm going to be putting done frames in here. I see a couple of frames are not done, but that's okay. We're going to go through the box and see what's done, and we're going to harvest it. Then we're going to move to this hive. Hopefully bees stay calm today while we do this. They really propolize this. Woohoo! See, that's what I'm talking about. This side is not capped, but this is not a problem at all. So we're just going to shake them off. Take the brush and just remove the bees gently and put this frame in the other box. Then I'm going to put it on the back of the truck. Can't get all the bees off, but most of them. Alright, let's go to the next frame here. This one looks capped all the way. See that? That's beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. You can never get enough of this. Shake off as much as you can, and then just brush off some of the rest of the bees that's left in the frame. And that's how we're gonna keep going through this box. These are okay. I can actually see flow coming in still. Look at that. That is beautiful, my friends. So basically what I'll do, I'll just go through the whole entire box, do the same thing. Most of these looks like they're done and ready to take. Now when you're taking this honey, what you want to make sure is that bees have enough honey in the bottom two boxes, so that way they don't starve and you don't have to feed. If you want to feed, that's your preference. I try not to, just because I can leave them enough honey. I don't have to feed them, but there is other reasons people feed the bees, so if you do, that's okay too. Beautiful. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it's super easy to go ahead and harvest. Bees are not too bad today. I don't expect them to be too calm, but if you don't mind, hit that like, give me some comments, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.